على الأقل بحسب زعم المعارضة السورية، الجهة التي تقتل الأولاد هي إيران وحزب الله. تحدثت مع أحد قادة المعارضة، بالطبع هو منفي خارج سوريا، واسمه عبد الله تميمي، وهو إمام من حمص. لنستمع إلى المحادثة التي أجريناها معه.
We're not afraid to talk so freely and to talk to us. You're not afraid that the Syrian government will try to get to you, will try to harm you or your family?
There are about $5 million reward to kill me by Hezbollah itself, because they think that I am the spiritual leader of the Sunnis resistance and the Sunnis fighters, freedom fighters. Now every Syrian man, every Sunni Syrian man looking at Israel, and this is the reality. Israel, it is not our real enemy, and it's never been our real enemy. That's the media of the regime, just to make an excuse to take all the rights of the Syrian people by the name of the war against Israel and liberating Palestine. And every Sunni knew this reality very well. And we all know now, we are in the same front with Israel against this barbarian killers. And we are calling the state of Israel to support the demands and the rights of Sunnis in Syria and Lebanon to get their freedom.
Abdallah, and Israelis ask themselves, if President Assad is taken off power, will the Sunni majority make peace with Israel? Because we see what's going on in Egypt, and Israelis are afraid that we are going to see the Muslim brothers and more hatred against Israel, not less.
I am not telling something secret if I say there is no politicians, no Sunni politicians in Syria. They've been eliminated, all of them, by the regime. We need an international administration in Syria to recreate political leaders in Syria, politicians, to recreate the law and order, to recreate the state, because now we are in Syria. We have no state, no politicians, nothing but the Iranian militias and their agenda for killing and more killing.
Abdallah Tamimi, thank you very much for talking to us this morning. We hope that there will be a solution soon, and we hope that there will be peace soon. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
You're welcome.